Well, see, my friends, it's not the best day, but it's a day. It's beautiful out there. I don't know what mountain that is. We're in the Puget Sound. We're officially in San Juan. My dog, Mr. Jedi. We have 5 gallons. Trying to make it that way. There's the ferry coming by. It's no big deal. Out here on these islands. I don't know if I'm doing any good camera work, but we got a couple big ferries. We got one little dude right there. Something or other. Kind of having to weave in and out of this stuff. I mean, we could try and push up, but won't get a lot of leeway that way. We're just gonna push through down the bottom here. As you can see, there's my crab trap, my life raft. My view. Jedi. Right on. You can see my doors propped open. I'm trying to get there as fast as I can to Friday Harbor. I want to make there today. After Friday, then we're headed to the other 2 islands I haven't been to yet. It's no big deal. We're not sailing yet, buddy. Shit, tomorrow though. It's beautiful out here. Have a good day, everyone.